spinal cord injury is like an iceberg. There are impairments that are invisible, like many of you know. Spinal cord injury can reduce mobility. But did you know that spinal cord injury also impacts breathing and blood pressure as well? Respiratory complications are the biggest cause of death of people with a high spinal cord injury. And over half of all people with a spinal cord injury experience significant dizziness when they sit up due to low blood pressure, and this impacts their rehabilitation. My research aims to target these areas in the iceberg hidden under the surface of the ocean by investigating treatments to do so. So what kind of treatments are we looking at? Simply put, it's huff, puff, and zap. Through my PhD, I want to find out whether people with spinal cord injury can move and breathe better after breathing in lower oxygen air. I also want to find out if blood pressure drops can be managed by delivering electricity to the tummy to turn on their tummy muscles. Now, you might think, hang on, that sounds a bit weird. You need oxygen, don't you? But did you know? Well, yes, we need oxygen to survive. That actually breathing in less temporarily can strengthen the connection between the brain and the muscles. Through this strengthened connection, we want to find out as well whether it means that when brain says, muscle, move, move, that it'll be able to do so more effectively. One of my studies does this by comparing people's muscle strength before and after huffing and puffing lower oxygen air. If we can help people's muscles move better after this simple intervention, hopefully it means that they would be able to push, pull, grip, and breathe better. As for the tummy muscles, well, we know that they help us exhale, they help us poop, and we also think that they help us with our blood pressure. Problem is, people with a spinal cord injury can often struggle to move their tummy muscles. So in my study, we'll help them do this by zapping their tummy and moving their muscles, turning it on. By determining how well they can, how well this intervention can help move their tummy muscles and maintain their blood pressure, we can hope to give options to people early in their injury to make their first steps into a life of spinal cord injury less disorientating, both literally and figuratively. Huff, puff, zap. It is my hope that with these three simple components, that we will be able to melt the iceberg little by little and have people with spinal cord injury swim in the same sea of autonomy, independence, and high quality of life as the rest of us do. Thank you.